Guys, welcome to this video. Now that we talked about passing the time, you can say passing using the strp time. So in this video, I'm just going to do something that most of us might have seen, that of using the sleeping of our code for a particular period of time. Let's say you can see the display to delay execution time. So let me comment this out. Let's say I want to print. Yes, I want to print easy kit. Also want to print, let me copy this. As a programmer, you should know how to copy and paste. So let's say easy keys. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3. If I run this, you can see easy keys 1, easy keys 2, easy keys 3 printed out. There's no problem with printing out anything this way, but there's sometimes we might want to like delay it. I don't want it to be printed out instantly, 3 of them printed out instantly. Want to make use of sleep tools. Print one, wait, print another one, wait, and then print. You can use it as many times one. How can we do that? Is time, you can say time dot sleep. You can hear we take what is called seconds. You can see seconds. You can see from the look of it, it takes a seconds, and then that seconds has to be a float. The name also can be, if you can put an integer too, it will handle it. Let's if we put 1, we're talking about 1 seconds, 2, 2 seconds, 3, 3 seconds, 4, 4 seconds, 5, 5 seconds. Say 60, talking about 60 seconds. I know what 60 seconds is automatically, that's a minute. If you say 70, that's 70 seconds. But let's say we want 1 seconds. Then what is going to happen here? This line is going to be printed. Then to wait for 1 second before this other line is going to be printed. Let's run it. You can see the printer, this one is going to wait. Let's make it 2 seconds so we'll get to see that a little bit better. You can see easy kit 1 printed out, and then the other guys get printed out. Let me add it for other ones too. You can see easy kit 1 is out, easy kit 2 is out, and then easy kit 3 is out. So this is what this does, just to delay the execution of your code. It is really important in automation. Time to sleep is really important. When you are doing web scraping, time to sleep is really important. When you are doing a whole lot of other things that requires opening of files and doing a whole lot of other things, time to sleep is really important, because if you don't use time to sleep at times, it might collide with 1 or 2 other things project you are doing. So time to sleep is really important. Just what it does to delay the execution of your script. That's basically what time to sleep does. So I think we'll wrap it up for this video. The next video, we're going to do other project using this time to sleep and say function in this time module. So I think I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.